feet. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Go make a play. Go make a play. Let me see where the athletes are. Go make a play. Down. Up. Jump for the ball. You don't see Andre Johnson running backwards? Down. Set. Up. Yeah. Why you stop? Down. Set. Up.
That's a good route. That's a good route. That's a good route. Finish. Ah! That's a good route, Scully. Let's go make a play, man. Who a playmaker out here? We're looking for playmakers, man. Wait, good adjustment, good adjustment. Good, strong adjustment. Get down there first. If you got to come back, you come back.
Get out there and catch the ball, man. Act like you're playing catch. Run your
Go
route.
get it.
Out there.
Oh, why you stop running, Bryce?
I was worried about catching the ball so much.
That's going to be 6 points to you in the game. That same play coming to you.
Let's go get it in. Let's go. Give me a good inside move and get out there. Good inside move and get out. There you go. Strong. That's strong. That's strong. Finish that, son. Please finish that. Ah! Oh.
You gonna make a play. That's the difference between you being in the game and being on the game. If you want to make a play. Alright? Go make a play.
Give me a good inside move, Charles. Good adjustment.
That's better.
Much better
Go
adjustment.
up and get it. Down. Up. Go get that. Let's go, Scully. Down.
Pick up your team, Scully. Good inside move, Scully. That wing got the best of it. That wing got the best of on that one. Get it? Yeah, you.
Step inside. 1, 2. On that third step, you're going where? Back out here. If you step inside, little kid, you know what he gonna do? Next step, you know.
And you gone.
Do what? He gotta turn around to come get you.
But you already on your burners.
Alright? You know advantage, you know the play. Don't make it count. You know the
3 first downs right here.
up.
Need a first down, man. Need a first down.
Down.
Let's go. We need a touchdown. Pick your team up, son. You can carry. You can carry this burden. You can carry this burden. There you go. Get out of there. Ah, that's what I'm talking. Hey, that's a first down, though. You move the chain. He playing NFL ball. He said I can get up. He get ready for the league.
I'm gonna see it different.
He get ready for the league, baby.
This time I'm gonna throw it on you. So it's coming. I'm gonna throw it right on you. It's coming. Catch the ball.
Get your hands up.
Alright? Catch the ball. That's what we out here for. Work on your catching. Catch the ball. Focus on catching it the first time, Scully. That way you ain't got the bobble. Let's go down.
Be a good inside move, Charles.
There you go.
Look real good, son. Come on, pick your team up, son. Let's go.
Oh, keep your eye on that ball.
Scully. Three in a row, y'all. Let's get it in. Good man side move. Get up the field. Come on, pick him up, B. Pick your teammate up. Pick him up, Scully. Pressure on you, baby, but you done did it before. You can do it again. There you go.
You're going to have to learn how to stay on your feet after you catch the ball.
Not on.
Right, looking at it. Ball's looking in the diamond. Everybody do like that. Rotate your body. Rotate your body. Catch it face to face, right? That's where the quarterback is throwing it, face to face, right? Your eyes should be in that diamond. Do like this. Close it off. Eyes are still where? On that point, right? Go down with it. Go down with it. Flip it back to your thumbs. Like that with it. Reach up. Reach up. Put your fingers together. Look over your shoulder. Where my eyes at? Where my eyes at? Where my eyes at? Turn to the other side. Where my eyes at? That's how y'all can adjust to the ball. Alright? Now, 6. 2 each. Let's go on. 6K. 7. Up. There we go. What up, Todd? Down.
Let's get it in, Charles. Big brother Charles. Let's go, Charles. Uh-oh. You ain't never had this type of position before. Get it in. Home run hitter. I see you, boy.
That's what I'm talking about.
I see you, baby.
First down. That's what I'm talking about. Good catch.
Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. We 3 for 3 right now. Get it in, son. Get it in. Yes, sir. Get out the field. Go score that touchdown.
Down. There you go.
Alrighty. Let's take it on. Let's take us home. Take us home, Sco. I know, baby. Finish strong. Who gonna pick up Scoey? Scoey done picked y'all up many a time. Who gonna pick Scoey up? Start it off, B. Start it off. Charles, big brother Charles. Start it off, big brother Charles.
Come on, Charles, down.
Get out of there. Get strong moves. Good strong moves. Get on the side of the cone. I don't know why you're trying to jump over the cone.
Sit back in the chair. Get your hands up. Down. Set. Hut.
Good adjustment. Good adjustment.
Come on, Scully, down. Set. Hut.
I felt that same. I felt the same way coming on it. The same. Pick him up. Pick him up. We need 2 in a row, man. We need 2 in a row. How you mind on that touchdown? Game winner. MVP. That look real good, son. Look real good. Good adjustment. Good strong adjustment. Good strong adjustment. Hey, we need 2 in a row. It's on you, baby. Y'all clap that up, man. Clap each other up, man.
Right there. Go home. Work on that when you're at home. Put your hands together. Stand in the mirror. Move your waist. Rotate your waist. Like that. Like that. Get focused on marrying your eyes and your hands. That's how you catch passes. Get your hands away from you. I don't want you catching balls in here. You catch the ball in here, he hits you, guess what? You fumbling. Catch away from your body. Snatch it out there. That's your ball. All right? Clap it up. We in that off-season time. Lots of water. Start watching what you eat. Like Popeyes, McDonald's, like y'all. Start walking away from it. You eat 2 burgers like me, eat 1. You eat 2 things of fries, and you know they got the nice little menu, get 1. Start walking away. Treat your body right. Drinking water. Eating breakfast, eggs, oatmeal, all right? Going to bed on time, getting rest, proper rest, all right? Doing your work in the classroom before you even come out to the field, all right? Ask Narelle, I'm already starting doing school checks. I'm meeting with this teacher later this week, all right?